In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Express gift card on the PlayStation Store. Before you can spend a single dollar, start by registering your gift card on the American Express website. This is important because PlayStation's payment system checks for a billing address, and many gift cards don't come with one by default. During registration, you'll set a billing address and zip code for the card. Use a real, consistent address you can remember. This information becomes the card's billing profile, and PlayStation will try to match it when you add the card later. With your card registered, head to your PlayStation console or open the PlayStation Store in a web browser. Sign into the account where you want to make the purchase, then go to your account settings and open payment methods. Choose Add a Credit Debit Card. Even though this is a gift card, PlayStation treats an American Express prepaid card like a standard card, so this is the right option. Enter the card number, expiration date, and the 4-digit security code found on the front of an American Express card. If you see a name field, you can enter your own name or a simple label, as long as it's consistent. The most critical part is the billing address. Type it exactly as you registered it on the American Express site. Match the street, city, state, and zip code carefully. Small differences, like abbreviations or a missing apartment number, can cause the card to be declined. Once the card is saved, you're ready to buy. Before you check out, confirm your gift card balance on the American Express site. Make sure the balance covers the entire purchase, including tax. The PlayStation Store typically doesn't support split payments, so if your total is even slightly higher than the card's remaining balance, the transaction will fail. Keep in mind that some stores place a temporary hold for authorization, so it's wise to leave a small cushion on the card rather than trying to spend it down to the exact cent. If your payment doesn't go through, double-check 3 things: the billing address format, the zip code, and the remaining balance. Correcting any one of these often resolves the issue right away. And that's it. Register the card, set a billing address, add it as a credit card in your PlayStation payment methods, make sure the address matches perfectly, and confirm you have enough balance to cover the full amount. Follow these steps and you'll be able to use your American Express gift card on the PlayStation Store without a hitch.